The following is embedded from the DOMS National Public Alerting System. Event type is tornado. For people of Quebec, at 5:56 p.m. CBT, Environment DOMS and meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, intense rain, and hail are possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information. This was a message from the Canadian National Public Alert System. Now, we return to our regularly scheduled programming.